Today, let's solve Leetcode 489 contest problems. So we will solve two problems in this contest. Let's solve the first problem. So toggle light bulbs. So you are given an array of bulbs of integers between 1 and 100. There are 100 bulbs numbering from 1 to 100. All of them are switched off initially. So all of them are switched off. So for each element, bulbs of I in the array bulbs. If bulbs of height bulb is currently off, then we should on it. If the bulb is off, right, so we have to on it. Initially, all the bulbs are in off. If it's off, right, then we should ignore. Otherwise, switch it off. If it's on, we have to switch it off. If the bulb is currently off, we switch it on. Return the list of integers denoting the light bulbs that are on in the end, sorted in ascending order. If no bulb is on, return the empty list. So initially, all the bulbs are off, so we have to on it. So 10 is off. So we'll on it. 30 is off. We will on the 30th bulb. 20 is on. So 20 is off. We will on it. 10 10 is on, right? So we'll off it. So only which are bulbs are lighting, right? 30 and 20. So we will return that 20 and 30. Let's take this test case and explain in detail. Let me copy this. So initially we have how many bulbs? Four bulbs. We have three bulbs. Okay. So 1 to 100 the bulbs will be the numbering. That's what they have given. So we have to, so initially all of them are in off state. So what we will do, let's take, we have 10. I don't know. So these, if you take first test case, we have 10, 30, 20 and 10. So initially all the bulbs are in off state. So what will do, let's take first 10 and we will take 10. We will on the 10. Next 30 we will take. We will make it on the 30. Next 20 we will take on 20. Next 10 is a non-state. We will half it. So once we off, what is the bulbs which are on? The answer is 30 and 20. So this is the test case 1. Let's take test case 2. Test case 2 we have 100, 100. So if you take test case 2, let me keep aside this one. This is test case 1. Test case 1. Test case 2. Test case 2 we have 100, 100, 100 and 100 we have. So let me edit it. So initially we'll make it on. So initially both the bulbs are off. So we'll make it on. So both are same, right? It's a numbering from 1 to. Then we have to off it. So in the end we have nothing, no bulbs left. So it is an off state, which are in on. So our result will be empty state. So how we can solve this problem, right? Like we can first, if we store all the bulbs in the map, right? Whenever we see odd, right? So it's toggle, like whenever see even, right? So all the initially bulb will be off and then it will be on. We store all the bulbs in the map and how many times it occurs. So if it occurs even number of times, then In the end, bulb will be off because we take first example, bulb is in off state, and then first we will on and will off. If there are even number of times, so the bulb will be in off state. If it is an odd number of times, then the bulb will be on state. If you see the T and 20 occurs only one time, so it will be in on state. So what we can do, we can store these integer values in the map and get the count. So when the count is odd, we will add your to our answer list. So let me create a map. Map integer bulb, right? Bulb map is equals to new hash map. So we have created a map. Now we have to count how many bulbs are there. So count of each bulb. Like teacher bulb bulbs. Now we will store this in bulb map. Bulb map dot put bulb bulb map dot get or default of bulb. If nothing is there, if it's the first time occurring, then we will put 0. If it's occurring second time, then we will have to add. So this will get count of each bulb. So this bulb map will store count of each bulb. Now we have to check which bulb occurs odd number of times. Those will be our answer. Now we have to iterate through bulb map. So we'll get the count. So bulb map dot key set, right? So dot key set. So each key will get. So we have to get the bulb. So if map if bulb map dot get now bulb count, like bulb count is odd, right? And then the bulb will be on in the end. So we'll create a list, answer list integer answer is equals to new array list. We have created answer list. Now we will add to our answer. So answer dot add, we will add that bulb to our answer. Now return the answer. Now if I run it, so both the test cases are getting fast. First we have created a map. This map will store count of each bulb. So once count of each bulb, when the bulb count is odd, right? So those will be our answer. Let me submit the problem. It's wrong answer. Since if you see the question, so result should be in ascending order. Why we got the wrong answer? Because result should be in ascending order. What we have to do, we have to sort the list. For sorting the list, we have to use collections.sort. Collections.sort answer. We have sorted the answer. So what is the time complexity? So time complexity be n log n for sorting the list. So space complexity will be O of n because we are storing at most 100 bulbs, right? So O of 100 will be 100 it will be there. So n is 100, right, maximum. So O of n. So let me submit now. Let me run now and submit. So it got accepted. So time complexity of this problem is Login. Let's analyze here itself what it will give. See, string complexities and login. Space complexities of n. So at most we will store n bulbs, right, as in the map. So that's all about this problem.